Hello everyone, I welcome you to my channel KANA Art Academy where we will learn about arts. In today's video we will see big words in modern calligraphy. This is the fifth video in this. If you haven't seen the earlier videos or you want the recap, so you can go through my previous video in this series. In today's video we will practice the months of year like January, February. I'll write each month in the different color in in modern calligraphy, so you'll get the practice of how we connect the letters to form big words in modern calligraphy. So have a start. So here you can see I have written all the months of year. You can learn how to combine two letters to form big words. I have also used some flourishing. Flourishing video we will see in details in next coming videos. So don't worry about this. So if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button, and please comment what kind of video you want to like to see in next videos. Bye bye friends.